This is now probably the 4th or 5th time I've done this because nothing's videotaping right at this point. Need to probably give up for the day. But this is lesson 6 and 4/10 on plant behaviors, and you just hopefully completed the videos or the ed activities in which you got to experiment with some plants. So the first box, if you didn't already guess it, is light. Plants respond to light. And so I have a sun in this box, I have the plant on this side, and I have it bending towards the light. And I wrote plants grow toward light. Pause the video and copy those notes, please. Now this box probably was not talked about as much as I would have liked in the activities, but heat. Plants respond to temperatures differently. So I'd separated the box into half, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is cold, below freezing, and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot, well above freezing. If the plant gets too cold, these are my little snowflakes, it goes dormant, which is like a word for plants that means like hibernating. They can completely die as well, but they could go dormant and then come back when it gets warm again. If the plant gets too hot, it's going to dry out and it's going to wilt and sometimes die as well. So go ahead and pause your video and do those notes. Next, we have gravity. Plants respond to gravity. So I have a cup coming out, which is just kind of like a trapezoid almost, connected with a circle. And I have the plant growing up because the stem grows up. It's always going to grow up, and the roots are always going to grow down because plants respond to gravity. So pause your video and take those notes. And finally, moisture. It's a fancy word for water. They might have said water. I have an attempt at drawing a watering can, and I have my plant on this side of the box so that you can see that the roots, they're not alive. I mean, they are alive, but they're not people. They're not searching for water. They just grow more where the water is. So the roots are going to grow thicker on this side of the page because that's where the water is. Roots grow toward moisture. Go ahead and pause your video and take those notes. And then finally, here's all 4 of the notes. And I have a picture of this in the file as well. Have a good day, guys.